Hey everyone, welcome to another Sheet Director feature. In this video, we'll explore how you can automate your workflows using the scheduler. The scheduler allows you to run services automatically at predefined intervals, so you don't have to execute them manually. Here's how to set it up. Go to the Automate section and enable automatic running. Open any service and navigate to Scheduler Settings. Enable Run Automatically. Select interval based on requirement. Configure execution period. With the scheduler, you can automate your workflows effortlessly and ensure your data stays up to date, without any manual intervention.